If you've ever wanted to launch your own WordPress website but felt overwhelmed by the design process, I've got great news in this video. I'll show you how to build a professional, customized site in under a minute using the power of AI, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to skip the manual layouts, endless color choices, and blank page anxiety, and let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting for you. So let's dive right in. These days, building a WordPress site has never been more beginner-friendly, and that's all thanks to AI. The cool thing about the latest AI tools is that they can handle everything from the site's structure and color palette to writing full pages of content, all based on just a simple text description from you. No coding, no design background required. But before you jump in and start typing your dream website into an AI box, it's important to pick your approach, because not all AI in WordPress works the same way. So your first step is to choose your AI building method. And here's what you need to know. There are two main ways to harness AI for building your WordPress site, each with its own strengths depending on your needs. The first method, and honestly the fastest, is using AI site generators. If you want to go from idea to live site in as little time as possible, tools like ZipWP or 10Web are designed exactly for that. Picture this: you visit the site, enter a quick prompt like, "I want a modern portfolio site for a freelance photographer in New York." And in about 60 seconds, you'll see a fully built, multi-page website complete with matching images and copy, all tailored to your input. It's almost like magic, or like hiring a designer, writer, and developer who work together in a single blink. This is a great fit if you just want to get online now with the basics ready to go, and you can always tweak the results later to make them more personal. The second method gives you more creative control and flexibility as you fine-tune your site, and that's using AI-integrated WordPress builders. Plugins like Elementor AI or Divi AI actually add intelligent assistants right inside your site's editing dashboard. Here, why that matters. Let's say you're building out a services section and struggling to write catchy descriptions, or you want to generate fresh images for a blog post. These AI tools can jump in and lend a hand, all while you're designing. It's like having a co-pilot who offers smart suggestions and builds alongside you. And if you love to tweak fonts, layouts, or colors until everything feels just right, this approach will feel much more interactive. Now, a quick tip. If you're completely new to WordPress and want quick results, start with an AI site generator. You can always move to an AI builder plugin when you're ready to put your unique spin on things. On the other hand, if you already have some design ideas in mind, try out the AI-integrated builders from the start. You'll appreciate the creative partnership. Remember, whichever method you choose, don't worry if the site doesn't feel perfect right out of the gate. AI is a tool, and the results are meant to be a starting point, not the final word. Spend a few extra minutes exploring, editing, or adding your favorite images until it feels like your own space. And that's it. You have everything you need to create a powerful, professional-looking WordPress website with AI at your side. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, let me know your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more simple, beginner-friendly tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy building.